Good morning, students. How are you? I think all are fine, no? Okay. So today you take the page number 62. Page number 62. Page number 62. So before we go into the chapter, here you can see the page number 62. Look at the pictures and complete the names of these insects. They have given you some the names of some insects pictures here. So look at these pictures and you should write the names of these pictures. Looking the picture and you should write the names of these pictures. Okay. Why they are asking you means in this poem you are going to learn about the insects. In this poem you are going to learn about the insects. Okay. So now we go into the chapter. Just see here, chapter 8, name of the chapter is Mr. Fly. Mr. Fly, name of the chapter is Mr. Fly, written by Thomas Miller. Thomas Miller, he was from England. He is from England. And he was born 1807 and 1874. He was born 1807 till 1874 he was. So where he was born? He was born in England. Okay. So before we go into the chapter, we learn about the meanings. See here, buzz means continuous humming sound. Means with the sound of a fly. Buzz means the sound of a fly. Sound of a fly. See, you already know, no? The flies. Just see here. Here you see. These are the flies. These are the flies. So this is the buzz means the flying of the sound. Keyhole, a hole in lock. Keyhole means a hole in lock means when your house is closed, then there is a key. That is a lock. Okay, that is a lock. For the lock there is hole. Then you keep this key in the hole and open the door. That is the keyhole. Okay, next one. Plants. Plants means divides. Divides means a divide. Fastly it will divide. The next one. Bid means say. Bid means say. Bid means say. Tumbling, falling, headlong. Falling, headlong means it is a falling long time. Okay. Tumbling is falling headlong. These are the 5 new words from this chapter. Okay, once again I repeat. Chapter 8, Mr. Fly, written by Thomas Miller. He is from England. These are the new words from this chapter. So, fly is already understand why they asked me to write the names of insects. Okay, this is the we are going to learn about a fly, and this is a poem. This is a short poem. Okay. Now I read the poem, then I will explain you the poem. So all of you see the page number 62. What a sharp little fellow is Mr. Fly. He goes where he pleases, low or high, and can walk just as well with his feet to the sky as I can on the floor. And the window he comes with a buzz and a roar, and over the smooth glass. So here the poet is explaining in this poem, what a sharp little fellow is this Mr. Fly. Means what a sharp little fellow is a fly. Is explaining, the speaker is saying about a fly. Then he goes where he pleases. The fly goes where he wants to go. Whether it is low or whether it is high, wherever it wants, it can go. And can walk just as well with his feet on the sky. So this can walk on the sky, on the windows, and floor. Everywhere it can walk, as the poet is walking on the floor. As the poet is walking on the floor, we all are walking on the floor. No? The same way, the fly can walk in everywhere. So it can walk in the sky as we walk in the floor. The wind he comes. The window he comes. The window, when the window is open, through window it comes inside. with a buzz and a roar. Buzz means a sound and roaring sound. Small low sound and the big sound. And over the smooth glasses, the glasses, our window glasses, the smooth glasses also, it will come. Can easily pass over through the keyhole of the door. So it can go in the smooth glasses and it can easily pass out the globe or keyhole also it can pass easily. Keyhole means the small hole where we keep the key and open. Okay, that also it can pass. He eats the sugar and goes away. This can eat, the fly can eat the sugar and it will go. Nor ever once ask what there is to pay. So it eats and go, but we cannot ask the fly to buy something, to pay something, what we have it. No, we cannot ask. And sometimes it processes the tea pots to steam. Tea pots to steam is, see, here you can see, you know, the tea prepared and kept in the tea pot. So sometimes it can fly all these also. It has no fear. It is hot or cold, anywhere it will fly. And comes and fluxes his head in the cream. So sometimes when we prepare some cream or preparing cake or something we prepare, everywhere it comes and it fluxes his head, means keeping the air and staying sometime there in the cream. Then on the edge of the judge he stands, on the edge of the jug, and the edge of the jug also it will stand. See here the jug, water jugs we have, water drinking jugs. At the edge of the jug also it will stand. And cleans his wings with his feet and hands. So he cleans his wings. He has the feathers, no wings. It has. It will clean with the hands. It will clean with his feet. This done through the window, he hurries away. This done, after doing this, it will run away through the window and gives a verse as if to say. When it wants to go from here, it will burst, means it will be a sound and it will go. At present, I have not a minute to stay. When it will ready to eat or something, and it's fastly it will go. It will not wait a 1 minute also. But I peep in again in the course of the day. So, but every time it will be peeping in the course of the day, means what we do the work in the kitchen and so it will come and peep. Peep means looking. Then away he will fly. Then after peeping also he will fly. Where the sunbeams lie. Where the sunbeams lies. And neither stop to shake hands. Sometimes it will be stopping to shake the hands. No bid one good boy. No bid one good boy. Say the good boy. Not bid one good boy. It will not say the good boy. Such a strange little fellow is Mr. Fly. This is the Mr. Fly is such a stranger. We are talking about this fly. Okay. Who goes where he pleases, low or high, and can walk on the ceiling. It will go high or low and it will walk on the ceiling, means the roof of our houses. It will walk without ever feeling. Without ever feeling means it has no fear of anything and fear of stumbling down sky high. It has no fear that when I will fall down from the ceiling. No, it has no fear of falling down. It will walk courageously and it will fly to the sky. So here this is a poem about the Mr. Fly. Why the poet is describing as a fly and telling about the speaker says that Mr. Fly is a sharp little. Speaker is telling about the Mr. Sky. Mr. Fly, about the Mr. Fly. What is here the summary means, the poem starts with the speaker standing. The Mr. Fly is a sharp little fellow who goes where he wishes to. And he has the ability to walk and fly. His feet and can go everywhere he can go. In the house I already explained, everywhere it will go. And here we can see the poet humorously describes habits of behavior of a fly. Here in this poem, he is explaining about the habits of a fly. Habits of a fly. What he does, what he is doing, how it goes, how it flies. Everything he is explaining here. Okay, about a fly. So here, keeping explaining about the fly, we also should understand about ourselves also. We can also fly if we have the goal to do something. So dear students, now we are studying 5th standard. Put a goal that I want to learn this today. I want to complete this homework today. I want to do this. So find out the ways to do. Okay, that is your work. So all the best. And this is the small poem. I think you understand. Once again I explain about this. Chapter 8 is name is Reply, written by Thomas Miller. This is a poem. This is a poem, a small poem written by the Thomas Miller. And he is speaking about a fly. In this poem he is speaking about a fly. Fly where he goes, he can fly high, he can fly low, he can walk, he can eat. It is whether hot or cool. Okay, he can go small holes also, he can go through the window. It makes a sound, big sound and small sound, low sound and high sound. So all these, this is explaining us by this poem about a fly. The speaker is explaining to us. Do you understand? This is the poem, the summary of the poem. So here you can see the page number 64. There is only 3 exercises are there. Fill in the blanks, answer these questions and appreciation questions. Okay. Filling the blanks, answer these questions and appreciation questions. Only 3 exercises are there. You understand? Then I will give you all these. You can write in your textbook. First exercise in the textbook. The second B and appreciation will be written in the notebook. You understand this poem? This is a small poem about a fly.